Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Discussion was about our party organization regarding our membership drive. We'll be having our party elections also month of June, July, August for the blocks, DCC and PCC. All those elections will take place. So basically membership drive, organization issues, and also we took the views of our people about their suggestions about how to build up the Congress. Panchayat elections also will be taking it very seriously. And of course, Parliament election will be coming up, so we will prepare for that. And I think with Amit, Patkar and Yuri Aramao at the helm of affairs of the Congress in the state, and Michael Lobo and Sankalp in the Assembly, I think, there's a fresh look to the Congress.
67% is against the government, is against the BJP. And, we have discussed internally where we have gone wrong. I don't want to name the political parties, but yes, definitely आमचा जो एक space आशिल्लो vacuum that somebody else has taken over. Our full focus will be to get back to that vote share and strengthen the party in 26 constituencies. Congress vote share is about 34.5%. So our full focus will be there to, hold on to these constituencies and strengthen them. Where our vote share is about 4.5. The idea is to how we have to look of, strengthening the party.
So definitely we will go back and ask the people for their support, because as our president has said, the Congress party has given us almost practically everything.